Smart technology helps us make the most of life. At Humax, that's what we are here to do. With our innovative work in smart tech and exceptional customer service leading the way for over 25 years, we've developed quality products. Humax EV chargers are easy, simple, and built around the user. Design is crucial when it comes to function and performance of our EV chargers, focusing on an ergonomic and tactile experience. Connect, swipe, and charge as indicators keep you updated. Whatever your life looks like, you can charge to your schedule. With intuitive features that protect you and your family, our technology provides all the safety you would expect, giving you peace of mind. We strive to take care of you, but also our planet. An energy-efficient product is necessary to a modern lifestyle, saving you money, protecting the environment. Live life to the fullest with the Humax EV chargers. Drive greener, charge smarter.